Have you ever looked at the night sky and wondered if what you've been told is actually true? The universe is full of mysteries, but many of our most common beliefs are actually myths. Today, we're debunking the biggest misconceptions about space with scientific facts. Let's start with the center of our solar system, the sun. We often see it depicted as a bright yellow or orange ball. In reality, the sun is a pure white star. It only appears yellow to us because Earth's atmosphere scatters the shorter blue and violet wavelengths. Next, think about the rings of our neighbors. While Saturn is famous for them, it isn't the only planet with a ring system. Jupiter, Uranus, and Neptune all possess rings. They are just much thinner and darker, made of dust and small rocks, making them hard to see. Hollywood movies often show pilots dodging thousands of rocks in the asteroid belt, but reality is much less crowded. In fact, there are millions of miles of empty space between most asteroids. You could fly through it without ever seeing one up close. Moving to the planets, many assume Mercury is the hottest because it's closest to the sun. Surprisingly, that's not the case. Venus is the hottest planet. Its thick, toxic atmosphere traps heat in a runaway greenhouse effect, creating surface temperatures hot enough to melt leaves. And what about the red planet? Mars looks fiery, but it's actually a freezing desert. The red color comes from iron oxide, or rust. You might have heard of the dark side of the moon, but there is no side that remains in permanent darkness. Because the moon is tidally locked, we only see one side from Earth, but the far side gets plenty of sunlight as it orbits. Black holes are often feared as giant cosmic vacuum cleaners, sucking up everything in their path. But gravity doesn't work that way. Unless an object crosses the event horizon, it can orbit a black hole safely, just like a planet orbits a star. Why do we have seasons? Many believe it's because Earth gets closer to the sun in the summer, but the orbit is nearly circular. It's actually the 3.5-degree tilt of Earth's axis that causes seasons. This tilt determines how directly sunlight hits different parts of the planet. Finally, the famous claim that the Great Wall of China is visible from space. Astronauts have confirmed this is mostly a myth. While you can see city lights and large highways, the Great Wall is too narrow and blends into the natural terrain to be seen by the naked eye. The true universe is often more mind-blowing than the myths we create. Every discovery reveals a reality far more beautiful than fiction. That's all for Astro in a minute. Keep exploring the cosmos, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more space facts.